and welcome back to my channel. So today, meron na naman tayong another recipe dito sa bagong segment ko guys, dito sa YouTube channel ko, of course, Luto-Lutuan with Cami. Syempre, kasama ko pa rin yung dalawa doon sa mga favorite na guest natin dito for today. Kasi wala naman tayong, hindi tayo ganun kagaling magluto, kaya kailangan may recruit tayo syempre. So today, ituturo sa atin ng pinsan ko yung kanyang specialty guys, cassava cake. And to tell you the truth, sobrang sarap. Kapag meron kami mga get-together, talagang ito talaga yung most requested na talagang pag may mga potluck, ganun, ito talaga yung nire-request ng lahat na dalhin niya. So, i-explain niya sa atin yung process kung paano niya yung ginagawa. And I will give the phone to my pinsan.
Okay guys, so ang gagawin natin ngayong cassava cake is cassava cake with custard para special naman ng konti.
Ay, may custard.
Yun na yun, custard.
Custard. Di ba yan? Sige na nga. Okay.
Yun na yan, yung matamis sa ibabaw.
Matamis sa
Toppings.
ibabaw. Okay,
Sige. So, ang main ingredient natin, of course, is cassava. So, dito may nabibiling frozen cassava, grated frozen cassava. Ano to? 2 pounds ang kailangan natin. So, 1 kilogram kung sa Pilipinas nyo gagawin.
Okay. Free-made na yun, di ba? Pero syempre, pwede rin naman silang gumamit nung kud-kud.
Yes.
Na kud-kud way.
Oh, yung kinayod. Yung fresh na fresh. Ito kasi frozen. And then, kailangan natin ng coconut milk, coconut cream, evaporated milk, condensed milk, sugar, 6 eggs, tapos, pwede kayong gumamit ng young shredded coconut, pero ang gusto kong ginagamit is yung sweetened coconut na para pag kinakain, may crunch ng konti. So, actually, madali lang to. Hahalu-haluin lang natin lahat.
Hahalu-haluin. Okay, madali. O sige, nandito na naman si Miggy. Nakikita niyo naman. So, siguro siya, kayang-kaya niyo maghalo. So, tutulungan na tayo mamaya yung maghalo, guys. So, let's start our pagluluto.
Okay, guys, sisimulan na natin. So, ang una natin gagawin is isa-separate natin yung para sa custard natin. So, kailangan natin ng 3 egg yolks.
Let's crack them. I'll crack.
Mommy will crack because Mommy don't want to become a
Mama, I'll do the last one.
Hindi ako masyado magaling, kaya let's see kung 3 times lang natin to. So, separate lang natin.
Kailangan hihiwalayin yung ano.
Yep, 3 egg yolks lang para sa custard. Yung the rest of the egg, sa mixture na yon.
Mama, here's the other egg.
Okay.
Mama, here's the other egg.
Yes, one successful one.
Mama, here's the other
Oh,
egg.
thank you, honey.
I'll do the last one.
Can you do it? Do you know how?
Yeah, I just have to.
Woo! Not yet, honey. Wait, 1 second. 1 second.
Wait for mama.
Wait for mama. Emergency, emergency. Kailangan natin magmadali. Alright, krinak na niya po, mga kaibigan. Pinokpok niya.
Do it.
You can crack the rest because it's just gonna go on the bowl, okay? Ayan. Okay. Alright.
I'll crack it.
Des, you can crack the rest of the egg here.
Yeah.
Okay, crack it for mommy and mommy will crack it open.
Okay, so 3 itlog para sa
Over here.
custard, pero kailangan ihiwalay yung egg yolk sa
There you go. Thank you, honey. And then the rest of the egg, dito na yon sa mixture natin.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Okay, you do it. And next naman, of course, bubuksan natin yung mga dilata natin para makuha yung ating ingredients. So, magtatabi tayo ng 1/2 cup ng coconut milk, coconut cream, tsaka ng condensed. Okay, so 1/2 cup. Okay.
I'll
Okay.
pour it. Yeah.
Good job.
Look like egg milk.
Yes. And then the rest, dito na sa
Egg milk. So delicious.
mixture natin.
Wow, so much.
Yes. And then, can you hold the cup over here? And then next naman is yung coconut cream. I-shake natin.
I'll pour it.
Oh, good job.
One more.
Yep, we're gonna do the condensed milk.
Yeah. Look more. There's more.
Okay, ito naman na condensed.
That look like snow. Mama, I'll do it. I'll pour it.
Okay, good job. And the rest, dito. Then, kuha tayo ng scraper para
Make it frosty.
And then, hindi natin kailangan ng evap sa custard.
Mama,
So, ang evap,
Mama,
lahat sa mixture.
Tastes yucky.
Ay, tingnan mo.
Ah, Mama.
Maganda yan. Tumilapot. Para siyang, soft drink, yung bukasan niya. Hindi ko in-expect yon. So, i-pour lang natin lahat dito. Okay. And of course, huwag kalimutan ang pinaka-importante, yung cassava. Pero bago natin buksan, lagyan na natin ng asukal. Kukuha lang tayo ng asukal. So, ang asukal is 2/3 cup. And then, kailangan din natin ng 2/3 cup ng sweetened coconut. Can I borrow this?
Okay. Oh,
Yes. You can use more. Ano man yung, nyo. Actually, hindi ako nagme-measure. Lang. Para lang may guide kayo. Actually, kung ano yung feel ko, yun yung linalagay ko.
Pwede marami, pwede.
Pero konti.
Okay.
Kung sa tingin ko tama na, okay na. Okay. And then, of course, yung cassava, wag kakalimutan. Maganda tong ready-made kasi idadump nyo na lang. Hindi nyo na kailangan magkayod. Dumikit na siya.
Masyadong clingy yan, in a relationship sa plastic.
Ayaw niya mag-let go, mga kaibigan. Ayan. And then, of course, hahalu-haluin lang natin siya. So, ang mixture nito, makakagawa siya ng 2 pans ng 9x13. And of course, habang piniprepare natin to, preheat na din natin yung oven natin, 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, imimix lang natin to hanggang mamix na siya. Okay. So, ito yung custard filling. Okay, so yan na yung isa-set aside lang natin itong custard topping natin.
Go.
So next na po is the cassava. So mix-mix lang po lahat.
Me.
1 second, honey. Mommy will try to break the egg first, okay? So it's easier for you to mix.
And then, Mama, down.
Yeah. So make sure lang na yung itlog is na-mix talaga. Alright guys, so ganito na yung na-mix natin. So, well incorporated na yung lahat ng ingredients niya. Next step is, ita-transfer na natin to sa ating baking pans. Kukunin ko lang. And, so ito yung gagamitin natin para pagkatapos gamitin, pwede nang i-recycle. Before natin i-transfer, kailangan natin ng greased pan. So, i-sprayan lang natin to ng oil. So, pwede kang gumamit ng spritzer or itong ready-made na. So, spray lang natin. Also the sides para pag kinat natin siya, madali siya matanggal. Okay. I-ready na natin to. Pwede nating i-transfer. Okay. Then, sa kabila naman.
Mom, look like a swimming pool. Mom, look like a
And then, of
swimming
course,
pool.
scrape natin.
Mom, it looks like a swimming pool.
It looks like a swimming pool. Can you swim in it?
Now it's still like one.
Ready na siya. Ilalagay natin to sa oven.
But
Gano'ng katagal?
This one, i-ano natin ng 45 minutes. Pag solid na siya, saka natin ilalagay yung custard sa ibabaw. Okay, so pagtatamihin lang natin siya. Ingat kasi mainit. Okay.
Okay guys, so eto na yung ating cassava cake after 45 minutes na binake natin sa oven. Tinatanggal niya na muna. Okay na.
So next is, ilalagay na natin yung custard sa ibabaw. Kasi babalik pa natin to sa oven. So, i-shake lang natin hanggang sa ma-cover yung ibabaw. Ayan. Ito yung sinet aside natin na custard kanina, pang custard. Okay, so ibabalik ulit natin siya sa oven for another 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay, so eto na guys yung finished product nung niluto namin na cassava cake. Ayan. So, yan. Tingnan nyo naman. Sobrang sarap ng itsura niya, di ba? So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Syempre, kung first time nyo nanonood dito sa channel ko, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me sa aking mga social media account at Instagram at Pinay Kami. And Facebook. And syempre, don't forget to like my official Facebook page. It's called the Pinay Kami Official. And yun lang guys, thank you again. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!